would like to express my full support for the ad interim appointment of Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. as Secretary of the Department of Agriculture. Secretary Laurel Jr. has dedicated most of his remarkable career to the noble field of agriculture. He has vast experience in various aspects of the supply chain, ranging from deep sea fishing and aquaculture to food manufacturing, importation, trading, and cold storage. His familiarity with the agriculture sector stands as one of his formidable assets. While the task of overseeing a department is significantly different from the responsibilities associated with managing a business, I place my full trust and confidence in Secretary Laurel's ability to effectively lead the Department of Agriculture. Mr. Secretary, ang pakiusap ko lang po sa inyo, unahin po natin yung mga mahirap nating kababayan, interest po ng bayan, interest po ng ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Our government should focus on supporting our small-scale farmers because they are the backbone of our food security. We must help and support our local farmers to earn a living and contribute towards food security. Dapat po masaya po ang ating mga farmers. Dapat po sila ang kumita. Ito po yung mga isang kahig, isang tuka nating mga kababayan. Tulungan po natin, sikapin natin mabigyan sila ng karampatang suporta at proteksyon ang ating mga maliliit na magsasaka at mangingisda na kumakayod nga po araw-araw para masigurong may pagkain ang hapagkainan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Mr. Secretary, suportahan natin sila sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalakas ng kanilang sektor at pagpapalaganap ng mga programa na tutugon sa kanilang mga pangangailangan. With that, I would like to reiterate my full support for the confirmation of sa Francisco Chu Laurel as Secretary of the Department of Agriculture. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayo.